We just want to ensure the best results possible.
Yeah, I saw this earlier when I walked by here.
Hey guys, my name is Tony. I've been working here at Technics for about 2.5 years. I specialize in paint protection and ceramic coatings and also picking up after people.
Hey, Tony, I picked up your lunch stuff for you today, bud. You left it on the table.
My name is Randall. I'm a shop hand. I help out with anything that needs to be done here.
Hey Randall, you almost done with your steps? I need help over here.
Hold on, I need to take a break. 12:37, 12:38, 12:39.
Hey guys, I'm Chris. I've been here at Techniques for about 3 years or so. I handle a lot of the window tinting and also do ceramic coatings when I'm not busy. Other than that, that's pretty much what I do.
Yeah, he only does side windows. He don't do back glasses or windshields.
No sir. No sir, the tint goes on the inside. You're welcome, sir. Have a great day. Hey, my name is Robert. I've been at Techniques for about 9 years. I'm the shop manager here, and I'm in charge of all the cars that come in and out, make sure everything's on time.
Which one do I use to cut the car again? Cut the paint?
The clear cut.
Okay. Thank you.
As I was saying, the cars
How
that
much
come,
soap goes in the tint solution?
about 2-second squeeze.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Cars that come in and out of the shop, I make sure they're.
Hey, can I take a break?
No, you can't take a break.
I'll be back in 5 minutes.